Good morning, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm practicing my overhead smash for you, Grandpa. And I'm very awake this morning and pretty happy. No crying yet. Say hello, Pumpkin. Oh, look, overhead serve, practicing. Just practicing. Woo! Yeah! Go, Pumpkin, go! Look at the big boy! Oh! Hello! Hello! Hello, Pumpkin! Ooh, that's bright, 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 bright sunshine! He's getting really heavy. And he's moving around much more. I'm waiting for him to roll over. Hello, Zachary. Hello. Kick, 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 kick. Attaboy. Yeah, go. Go, go, go. Ooh. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Look at those little feet. Oh, oh. Zachary. Zachary. He scratched himself again. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Grandma and Grandpa. Bye-bye. Yeah.